Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the IIT Encoder. In this video, I will be explaining to you the basic activities and the concept of activity, and I will also explain to you the few Java elements like toast and how to use a button and some basics. Okay, so first understand what is an activity. Okay, so basically an activity contains majorly two components, an XML file and a Java file. The XML file is basically the layout file. It can be many if it has like the nav bar, side nav bar, or other things, but usually it is one for simple activities, like it is activity main.xml for here. Here you can design things. So design things whatever you want. I've explained to you in the XML video earlier. Next is the Java file. This takes care of all the functionality and everything that you need to do so that the UI elements work and your application processes the user data and gives him the relevant output. So let's start with creating a new activity. So right click, new activity. You can choose from various activities, login activity, scrolling, navigation tour, but for now let us keep things simple and use an empty activity. Let's name it button activity or button test activity. Okay, finish. So yeah, if you have installed Git, it will ask you to add the files if you want or not, so that when you commit it you get the new files. As you can see, it is creating its Gradle building. It takes some time. Let it do it. So far so we have understood in this course what are the XML elements that we can make, and we have learned how we can design simple UI elements, right? So in this video we will implement them. So as you can see, here is the button text activity. Here let's make it a linear layout first. I don't like constraint layout. I don't know why, because it's like quite messy. Linear layout and relative layout are the best. So here we will write the orientation as vertical. Next, let us make a button. Okay, width is, let it be full width, and height let it be wrap content. Text be click me, and color let it be purple 500 as we have declared. And let's close this. Okay, now let's go to button test act. Okay, we forgot to implement the ID. Let's name it button 1 test button 1. Okay, let's go to the button test activity. First declare a button object. Okay, so here is the button and it has a button. Import the Android widget button. The Android Studio UI is quite good in this. It all automatically gives you suggestions of the import file needed. Okay, so now you need to map this button object, that it is object oriented programming, simple object oriented programming. You map this button, typecast button. It's not needed, but just for the safe side, r.id.test button 1. Now you want to attach an on click listener, like whenever you click this button it should show something. Okay, so add button dot set on click listener, new on click listener. So this creates a click listener on the button. So whenever you click this button, it senses the click and does whatever is in this function. So we will write toast dot make test. So what is this toast? So toast dot make test makes a toast message. Basically I will demonstrate to you what the toast message is. Here you need to specify the context. Context is the activity name dot this, or you can write get application context, whatever. Then you need to specify the message button clicked. Then you need to specify the toast length, if you want to keep it short or long. Let's keep it long for now. And then you need to click dot show. Dot show is required if you want to see the text toast message. If you don't write this dot show or miss it, then you will not see the text message. So let's run it on our Android emulator once. So it's starting our Android Wish virtual device. Yeah. So, oh sorry, okay. One thing I forgot is it will always start with main activity, right? But we need to, so let's go to main activity. Here we have this button, right? Button. So let's map this to button equals button find view by id r dot id dot what is the id of that? H1 vyg. Usually you need to create IDs such that you remember them, but fine. Okay, now we need, whenever we click this button, we need to go to the next activity. So what do we do for that? So we basically write button dot set on click listener new on click listener. In this video I'm basically explaining to you the various concepts, like going to the next activity or this. Fine. So we will write intent. Now, what is an intent? You can Google what the meaning of actual meaning of intent, but for now, just take it as that it can pop up something, or if not pop up, it takes you somewhere. Like it will always take you. It's like a router, if you know. It routes from this main activity to somewhere. So it is intent. Intent equals new intent from main activity dot this to button test activity dot class, and then we write start activity with this intent, and we are done. Now let's run this. Click on button. See, we got redirected to this. Now click on this button. See, button clicked. This is the toast message, and it stays for long because we have written toast dot length long. Now, so this was all in this video. Hope you liked it. So please do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.